Hello guys, how's everyone? So today I Jazzy continue with 15 days 15 videos challenge series, and today I'll be talking about either start a startup or do a job. So quickly, what are the competencies of an entrepreneur? So first thing, he or she should be passionate. Next, he or she should be patient. Next, he or she should be persistent enough. And lastly, you need to accept failure. Yes, that are the competencies or qualities of an entrepreneur. Next, what are the issues you will be facing while doing a startup, before a startup, or planning for a startup? So, the first thing is funding. कैसे मिलेंगे पैसे, कहाँ से आएंगे, अपने पास है नहीं है. So how you will get money? You will be getting money or funds through venture capitalist, next by government, next by loans, or also you have some tax exemptions which will actually help you in long run. At the initial stage, that is 3 years of your startup, tax is exempted completely. Okay. Next, what are the other issues you will be facing in your startup? How will you actually segment the audience or target the audience which is actually very important for your product or your service? For that, you need to grind, you need to study the market, the customer behavior, like anything. Daily go to the market, go to your competitors, understand these theories of how actually a customer is attracted to a particular product or service, and then strategize and plan accordingly. Okay, these are the things. Next, what is one more thing that you need to do before doing a startup? One more thing is, you don't have to give up. There will be many days where you will not be earning profit or also not earning any income, but you sit back and close that startup and go. It's not gonna happen. You need to go on grinding, you need to strategize again and again. An entrepreneur life is not easy at all. They have to grind till you know till long time, you can say, but you have to grind if you really want this startup to be successful. Next, if you're stuck at a job or you really require some time to research, or you are actually having that hesitance because of failure, you think your startup will fail. So guys, first thing, take risk. An entrepreneur should take risk. If you really want that startup to go shine bright, you need to take risk. You need to start working on your plan like anything. And if people like me who want some experience in corporate world to actually know how these big companies work, go take a year or 2 year experience, but the whole week you are gonna work for that company, but in weekends you're gonna grind, hustle for your startup plan. That's the procedure of how you will be managing both. But if you're just passionate enough about a startup, go and open it right now. You don't require big team to start a startup. You need limited people. Next, if you are frustrated in your job and you really have some idea, okay, but you don't have good research, my friend, take 6 months time and research about it, study about it, meet some mentors, meet some startup coaches, and actually develop your plan. By this you will actually reach slowly where you have to reach, but don't set back and get frustrated when you have such awesome mind or such competencies what an entrepreneur has. Please take risk. Please, if you want to be a freelancer, even start that. Many people are into gig economy today. Many people are into this part-time jobs, being a freelancer and earning really good money, but they are there. Why? Because they took risk. They made themselves that skillful that they can be there today. So please, I request you, do this today. If you really want your startup to go ahead, start with it right now. If you need time, research, work in a company, get some experience, but don't sit idle there with just a startup plan. So that's it for today. I hope this lesson was clear and I hope this is helping you. So I Jazzy have 9 more videos to go, and I really feel good because so many people are really taking this seriously. So as I say always, stay raw, stay motivated. Bye bye.